is that there don't seem to be any placards all over the internet about what is happening in Nigeria. Okay, forget about what the US is doing. I'm not saying it's irrelevant, but I'm just saying put that aside for the moment. When Gaza happened, a lot of Nigerians condemned what was happening. We cried along with them, not because we belong to the same geographical, location. We are not of the same continent. But we cried along with them because we recognize that one person's pain is another person's pain. We recognize that they're human beings. They're human beings that had been innocent human beings that had been affected by something not of their own doing. So we cried along with them. We sorrowed along with them. And we prayed along with them. Because Nigeria, say whatever you will about us, we are very faith-filled people. We believe in God, whether we are Muslims or Christians, we believe in God. And I mean, when I say we believe, I'm talking about the real Christians and the real Muslims. And so we prayed along with them. We prayed for an end to the crisis, for an end to the suffering, for an end to the killings of innocent people. And then, when it ended, we rejoiced along with them as well. We recognized that the end to their sorrow was the end to our sorrow. When the world suffers, it's a collective suffering, or it should be recognized as a collective suffering. We Nigerians, we recognized that, and we stood with the people that were suffering in Gaza. But now Nigeria is suffering. We are sorrowing. We are crying. We are in anguish. I don't see many people carrying placards for us. I don't see people going on marches for us. I don't see people agitating for this to end. I don't see people recognizing that we are also humans, that we deserve to live in a world that's safe. I do not see that. And it makes me very sad. I've witnessed many crises all over the world. And I have to say something about my people. We are always out there in the forefront, agitating for change, even if it doesn't concern us.